Welcome back to Bike Review Pro, the channel where we dive deep into the machines shaping the future of two-wheeled adventure. Today, we're breaking down one of the most talked about upcoming dual sport announcements, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L. For years, riders have been asking Honda to bridge the gap between the lightweight CRF 300L and the heavyweight Africa Twin. The 750L is poised to be that middle ground, an adventure-focused machine built with genuine off-road DNA. Let's explore what this new model promises and why it may become one of the most compelling mid-weight dual sports of the decade. The purpose behind the CRF 750L. Honda's CRF lineup has always excelled in durability, reliability, and real-world performance. Yet, adventure riders have long desired a model with more power than the lightweight CRFs, but more agility than the Africa Twin. The 2026 CRF 750L appears designed to fill exactly that space: accessible, capable, and modern, with an emphasis on off-road practicality. The concept behind the bike seems to focus on blending rally-inspired handling with long-distance touring comfort, giving riders a machine that is equally comfortable conquering desert dunes or cutting through mountain passes. Engine and power delivery. The new parallel twin engine rumored for the CRF 750L appears to be tuned for torque first and horsepower second. Riders can expect a smooth, linear power curve that makes tight technical riding easier while still offering enough punch for highway overtakes. Mid-weight adventure machines thrive on predictable power, and Honda seems to be following that philosophy. A 750cc dual sport bike needs to perform well in both high and low RPM ranges, and early expectations hint that the 750L will deliver a balanced character. Smooth throttle response, controlled fueling, and minimal vibration should define the engine's personality, giving riders confidence across varied terrain. Chassis and off-road capability. A crucial part of the CRF 750L's appeal will come from its chassis. Honda's CRF lineage is known for lightweight frames and responsive geometry, and the 750L aims to carry that DNA forward. Riders should expect a slim profile, excellent stand-up ergonomics, and a geometry that favors stability at speed without compromising nimbleness in tight off-road sections. The weight distribution will likely be optimized to maintain balance with a full tank, helping the bike remain planted even when fully loaded with luggage. Honda's design philosophy traditionally emphasizes reliability and practical engineering, which suggests the bike will prioritize durability over unnecessary complexity. Suspension setup. If Honda expects the CRF 750L to be taken seriously by off-road enthusiasts, its suspension must be truly capable. The anticipated setup includes long travel front and rear components tuned for both trail impact absorption and road stability. Adjustable compression and rebound damping should give riders the flexibility to tailor the ride to different environments. The suspension will need to walk the line between comfort on long pavement stretches and precise control over rocks, ruts, and whoops. With Honda's off-road track record, the 750L suspension should make the bike feel composed without being harsh, appealing to riders who want one motorcycle that can handle everything. Electronics and rider aids. As the adventure segment evolves, electronics have become an essential part of modern motorcycles. The 2026 CRF 750L is expected to come equipped with advanced rider aids that enhance safety without overwhelming the rider. Traction control, selectable ride modes, and off-road, optimized ABS would give riders confidence in unpredictable conditions. A well-designed electronics package should feel natural, quietly helpful rather than intrusive. A rugged touchscreen display with clear readability in sunlight would likely be featured, offering navigation options, trip analytics, and customization settings. These features make long rides more manageable while maintaining the core simplicity that dual sport riders value. Ergonomics. For long-distance comfort, dual sport motorcycles must strike the perfect balance between off-road agility and long-distance comfort. The CRF 750L appears positioned to deliver a riding triangle that accommodates both goals. A comfortable, reasonably narrow seat, adjustable handlebars, and well-placed foot pegs should allow riders to shift seamlessly between sitting and standing. Wind protection is another key factor, and the 750L will likely include a functional windscreen that reduces fatigue on long stretches without compromising visibility during technical rides. Honda is known for fine-tuning ergonomics that appeal to a wide range of riders, and this new model seems poised to continue that legacy. Weight and manageability. One of the most important aspects of any off-road capable adventure motorcycle is weight. Too heavy, and the bike becomes exhausting on trails. Too light, and it loses stability during high-speed touring. The CRF 750L appears designed to sit in an ideal middle zone. A target weight placing it below the Africa Twin but above lightweight Enduros would give the bike enough stability for open road riding while still being manageable in off-road environments. Honda understands that riders want a machine they can pick up on the trail, maneuver in tight spaces, and ride all day without feeling overwhelmed. Weight management will be one of the defining features of the 750L's success. Design and aesthetics, styling often defines the first impression of any motorcycle, and the CRF 750L is expected to be unmistakably CRF. Sharp lines, purposeful bodywork, and a rugged silhouette should give the bike a rally-inspired appearance. A slim midsection, compact LED lighting, and functional plastics will help convey both agility and durability. Honda traditionally prioritizes clean, purposeful designs that age well, and the 750L's look seems poised to follow this philosophy. Riders should expect a design that speaks to adventure but avoids over-complication, appealing to both off-road purists and long-distance explorers. Who the CRF 750L is for, the 2026 CRF 750L will likely appeal to riders who want one motorcycle capable of taking them through challenging off-road terrain while remaining comfortable and composed on the highway. Its balance of power, weight, ergonomics, and technology positions it as a versatile machine suitable for experienced riders seeking a mid-weight upgrade and newcomers wanting a platform they can grow with. Whether commuting, traveling, or exploring remote routes, the 750L aims to be a dependable partner regardless of the adventure. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L has generated anticipation because it promises to bring a true off-road ready mid-weight machine into Honda's lineup. With a focus on balance, capability, and reliability, it stands poised to become a defining adventure motorcycle. If Honda delivers on the expected combination of performance, comfort, and technology, the CRF 750L could easily become a new benchmark in the dual sport world. Thanks for watching Bike Review Pro, and stay tuned for more deep dive reviews and motorcycle insights.